Alright, I'm gonna turn this off until we get a little deeper. We'll try to make this a little 3-part short. Sure is beautiful. Sometimes you just don't make no noise and just look. This is cool where the trees block the snow. And the snow's laid out there where there's no trees. Pine trees block a lot of snow. Hold a lot of weight too. All our footprints are gone from before. Things are covering up. Oh man, this is heaven. My goodness, I can't get enough of this. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. I hope you're enjoying. Oh, the geese. They're flying through this. Heading north. Okay, my shiny happy friends. I'm gonna make a couple shorts out of this maybe.